Hello everybody, ShowCoolCat here. Welcome back to episode number... I forgot already. There's an item right in front of me. Woggy just
14?
got TM Megahorn. Mega. That's the Pokemon.
Well, you can click the thing.
Just look at this bitch. TM Megahorn. How's the power of it? Isn't it like 80, 100, something like that? 120. Jesus Christ.
Well, yeah, it's Heracross's special move.
And I get another Frenzy Plant.
I hate you.
Do you know how many Frenzy Plants I have right now?
Is it 2?
Yeah.
In addition to the one you've already taught.
Yeah. So, people, we actually get multiple encounters here. We can get an encounter right here in the cave. We can get an encounter... I don't want to do the water one for right now, just to be safe. But we can go in this cave and get an encounter.
Alright.
What do you think? Getting a cave encounter?
If we're doing that encounter, I should probably switch to one of my guys who is able to...
Yeah. Let's go swap out quickly. So we get 2 encounters here today. I get the first one off in the cave, and on the left row... Or actually, we get 3 encounters today. My encounter is going to be... Oh my god, I love Starlies. Oh my bloody god. Oh my god, I love Starlies. I love Starlies.
I know.
Oh my god, I love Starly. Ah!
We literally opened the first episode with you saying that. So.
That I love Starlies and I'd rather have a Starly for my starter? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, now what do you get for yours? It's never going to be as good as a Starly.
I mean, yeah, I doubt that. Really?
You don't like Cherubies at all?
Really?
I take it you don't like Cherubi, like, whatsoever?
Well, this is happening now, I guess.
Oh my god, I'm so happy I finally have I got a Starly!
How come you get, like, 12 fucking birds that can fly?
You don't even have a single one yet.
I have Natu, but I don't know if she can learn fly.
I don't know. I don't think Natu itself can learn fly. I think its evolution will learn fly.
I have no idea what I can use to...
Hurt it, but not kill it.
Yeah.
That's why I used Rages, because it's a 20 power move.
Yeah.
Unyu,
I mean...
Unyu. One tackle from Unyu shouldn't kill it. Let me throw a Pokeball first to capture this thing before you kill it. Okay, just you try.
Oh. Alright, nice.
Let's see, Act 2. How do you pronounce its evolution name?
Is that too? I
Is
always
that too?
pronounce it.
Oh my god, I
Their
love...
singing is noisy and annoying.
No, it's not. Their singing is beautiful. Let's see. It can learn or it can learn HM Fly. That too can learn Fly, so you're good at that. So let's see.
I just wanna check one thing.
I already know what I'm calling this one.
Alright, so quick attack would actually be a better
Damn it.
Use. New start.
New starter.
New Charlie. Or new Chad.
Oh my god, yes! Thank you for making me think that one. Oh, I've been using the keyboard the entire time. That was wrong with me.
Good man. Okay, that's good.
Oh my god! I got a Starly!
Alright, a crit would kill.
Do you want to risk?
This won't.
Let's see. Oh shit, that was close.
No, I knew that as long as I didn't crit, I'd be fine. Plus this. I had to factor in for. No, I have to, but...
I can't believe it, folks. I actually got a Starly.
You done jerking off your bird or something?
Fuck you. Yo, so I was at work yesterday and I finally found out where jerk seasoning goes.
Okay.
We have a thing called jerk seasoning. And first time I looked at it, I actually thought it said jerk off seasoning. I was like, what the fuck? It evolves by sucking off the small ball.
That is straight up a sex act.
That's legit what it says.
I know. It's sucking out a small ball that stores nutrients. That is literally a thing you do. I've seen that video.
I raise attack to lower my speed, which is fine by me. Oh my god, this is a powerhouse, Chad.
Give a nickname to call it Cherubi.
Sex act.
I don't know.
Just nickname it sex act.
The worst, least creative Cherubi name
Cherry.
ever.
Are you fucking serious? You know, I actually accepted it. Cherry. Boy.
Told you it was the worst, least creative name for a.
Alright.
Your life sucks, I agree.
Mm.
I ain't too mad about that, but it's paired up with a retard, so.
Mm.
I accidentally uses Shadow Force on it.
Sunflower is fairly tanky, right? I can't remember.
Let me triple check that. I believe Sunflora was decently tanky. Sunflora, let me check its stats.
There, hold on.
It has, no, it's not that tanky versus physical. It's got a super high special attack, though. And I mean, like, it's a 105 special attack, which is really fucking high.
What's it got for defense?
58.
No. So terrible.
Yeah.
Especially considering it's evolved at least once at this point.
Yeah. Cherum, really, you know, the Cherubi got Cherum, it's better stats than Sunflora because they're more evenly spread, but they're still kind of meh. Because, like, it has a good, it has an okay special attack, a weak attack, and a good defense and special defense.
Probably one more? I'm not gonna risk it. No, yeah, wait, this happens. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it.
Not gonna risk it for your biscuit. Do you just use Great Balls on everything now? Have you evolved?
Mm-hmm.
Still sitting over here
I don't
using
feel like
goddamn
dealing with-
Pokeballs.
I feel like using
God
that
damn
as
it.
a-
Hey, that's bullshit you're trying to avoid?
Ugh.
Jesus Christ, Bill, are you sick?
No. Not that I'm aware of.
And why'd you cough?
I always cough. Unless you're referring to my recent sneeze, in which case,
Let's see. Cherum gets Solar Beam, Lucky Chant, Petal Dance.
Especially because you could just go with, like, Stanky Joe or something.
Stanky Joe it is.
I don't know why that's the greatest name I've ever come up with. But it kind of is.
It is the greatest name you ever came up with.
Female, I guess, so yeah, no E, I would just...
Stanky Joe! Why? Woggy? That is the
I
app.
suggested it. You went along with it.
Alright, let's go. You wanna do the voice? I just love that picture.
Oh, it's you. You must be here to catch the legendary Pokemon to make yourself look strong. That is only a dream. You see, the legendary Pokemon suits a trainer like me, who is sworn to become the strongest trainer. A battle with Team Rocket Grunts is just right for you.
That's a little mean. Angry Face versus Woggy.
Tamer.
Cyclist. Woggy. Oh my god, this is gonna be a motherfucking death right here.
Goodbye, you bitch.
Alright, what happens if you drop a rock on Cubone?
It's ground. Wait, Cubone will beat the shit out of you.
Yeah, good point. What happens if I punch Cubone in the face?
I mean, meh, nothing really. Check Steve, does it have any water moves?
Should, but it's also lower level.
Yeah, it's the same level as that thing.
Hmm.
I mean, you don't really want to weaken your best Pokemon right now.
Yeah.
I guess try to put in Steve, and if need be, you can switch out.
Well, hopefully.
This is a little of a...
Hmm.
You piece of shit.
What's up?
It just burned me, but here's its strongest Pokemon right here.
Why would you focus energy if you're gonna use moves that can't crit? Or even do damage? Good job, human. Human person.
Okay, now just use Smokescreen. That's gonna hurt. I need to get rid of this burn.
Alright. About to send in Gloom. Grass. Is it grass?
Oh,
or
come
grass
on!
poison?
It's bullshit how much health it lived by.
Grass or grass poison? And what would happen if I sent out a dragon?
Grass? Grass is not very effective against a dragon. We're gonna go Burn Heal and Purpleina, guys. I don't want to risk it anymore. Purpleina. And also, this piece of shit's just gonna keep Smokescreen me anyways. I hope you understand I'm just gonna keep gaining health back.
How much health does Gloom have?
It's gonna have over 40, that's for sure. But Dragon Rage is your best bet.
Oh, really?
Twister is 20 power.
True. Even with, well, stab, so 30. Oh,
Stab is
Jesus
30.
fuck. Yeah. Oh no, Stun Spore, whatever will I do? No. Shed Skin, probably. Oh, Jesus fuck.
Okay, Purpleina, this is your last attempt.
Get fucked!
I am in anger now.
About to send in a Poochiana.
Really? A Poochiano? That's nothing.
I know.
Okay, can this bitch stop Smokescreening me?
Remember, if you see something dark, punch it. Wait, no, that's racist.
God damn it, Woggy. And I can't edit that out. I can't even edit that out because it's in the middle of a video, a middle of battle.
Well, you can comment on how I noticed how horrible what I just said was.
Corsolia, that was a water type, correct? I believe so.
Corsola, yeah. So you sent out a rock type?
No. I sent out a rock grass type.
About to send in Magby.
It has a Magby, I have a Magmar, what the fuck? So you have
Magic.
my starter as well. Or my... starter as
And
well.
your Champy.
Yeah.
What level was, whatever.
Oh shit! Donket had the EXP share? Crap, I didn't see what it was putting in.
Read in.
Crap. I must recharge. But there's always another frenzy plant somewhere in the world.
Constant
Frenzy plants.
frenzy plant.
See, constant frenzy plant works.
Never stop frenzy planting.
I'm not fighting with another weakling ever again. It's just too much playing around. Or something close to that.
I'm just gonna comment that if I'm weak, he just got his ass beat by a weakling.
Exactly.
And even if you mention, well, you know, he wasn't trying, like, so
You still got your ass beat by a weakling.
if I'm so weak, ugh, God.
Okay.
I'm a
You want to
fucking
continue with your
nerd.
voice?
You will never be able to catch a legendary Pokemon.
Well, it's like a fucking why not? And kill myself.
That'd be funny.
damn it. Okay.
What?
I got a Nidoran. So you can get any
Alright,
gender.
female.
Yeah,
Oh.
technically female. It's technically female.
So, or am I counting it as male or anything?
It's technically a female, I guess. Yeah, kind of a female.
So I'm getting a male.
Yeah,
Yeah, because Nidoqueen and whatnot.
yeah. That's my line of thinking.
Well, I remember your line of thinking was genderless. Hey, Diglett. What was your Diglett's name?
Hermit.
Alright.
Get fucked with your arena trap. Oh, that could be bad. That could be bad. It has a magnitude.
Oh.
Shit.
Oh.
You're gonna need to catch this thing right away. So I wouldn't even. You can't switch out. You can't run.
Hold on.
You should. I don't even try an item. I'd probably go maybe a. I don't know. You could go with like a bite, see how much that does, and then try to catch.
Well, I mean, if it starts off with like magnitude.
Yeah.
Trying to remember. Fastball is good against fast Pokemon.
Yeah. Diglett's technically kind of fast, I guess.
I don't. I think it needs to be like actually really fast. It's kind of dumb.
Oh.
Lure Ball. No.
Water. No. Netball. No.
Ultra Ball would probably be best.
But do you want to even chance an Ultra Ball right now, or would you rather take damage on it and then? God fucking damn it!
Oh, thank fucking Jesus God.
You know what? That's fine enough. That's fine enough. He didn't lose Gojira.
Yeah. You were saying? Oh, dope.
Those are
I'm
dope.
down with this.
God damn it! Fuck my life.
That's what we in the business like to call get fucked. Huh.
I'm gonna switch out to somebody weak.
Pokemon. Are you bug or bug flying? You're bug flying, which is good.
Yeah. It only has like tackle, man. It doesn't have any fighting moves yet.
Yeah, good point. So I just want someone with some physical soak.
Its tackle isn't even that powerful. Mostly gonna use like helping hand or something retarded.
Yeah. I don't know. Cherry Boy might actually be the way I want to go here.
See, Cherry Boy is useful.
I don't know if I'd go that far.
And Cherry Boy is extremely useful. Cherry Boy is like extremely useful, man, and it could be a good help on your team.
Leech Seed, I guess.
I already know this name of this Pokemon.
Shit cuck. Really? Oh god.
Why are you like this today?
I was just at all different from any other time I've said words. I don't understand.
Shit, cuck.
Like, of course the fucker woke up. Oh well. Bring your daughter, fetch your daughter. Tyrogue, motherfucker.
What are you gonna name it, motherfucker?
Mm.
Oh, that's an
I
item.
don't know.
A stable mulch. God damn it.
It keeps fighting even if it loses.
Fight
but
Club.
it's lost.
Fight Club.
Fight Club's the name where you should go. Fight Club.
Male.
Fight
Male
Club.
Tyrogue. Male Tyrogue.
Fight Club.
I still say Fight Club. Punches. Punchy. Punch drunk. Punch boy, are you serious?
What do you have against Punch Boy?
Are you really that unoriginal today?
I was originally gonna do Punch Boy 5000, but you know, no room.
Yeah. You are super unoriginal. I hope you understand that.
What do you have against Punch Boy 5000? He's the ultimate punch bot robot thing.
So by the way, we are keeping our Meryl pair in our party, so we can go grab all the items while we're there.
Saitama, no. If I wanted to be real unoriginal.
Fight Club. Why are you like this? Don't worry, we fire breathers know the true power of fire better than anyone. You still look like a ram. It looks like a guy with like ram horns. Elite Trainer Dudley. So motherfucking Earth sorting.
Have fun.
Dervitus, you know what to do.
Punch it in the face.
No! Nobody has a punchy move.
That's what you think. I might use a repel. I might actually use a repel. This is so boring. This is gonna suck. Ugh.
Hey, Charmander.
What up, dumbass?
Dumbass or dead ass?
Dumbass.
Oh, I was gonna say, did you just come up to him? What's up, dead ass?
I don't know, dat meme.
Dat meme. It's a perfect name.
Quite possibly the worst name you've ever come up with. And
No,
that
it
includes-
isn't. You're just racist
It really
against.
is.
You're just racist
Against what? Memes?
Yes.
Memes aren't a race.
Yes, they are.
No, they really aren't.
Memes is my race.
Never mind, I am racist against memes, if that's true. And I will stay racist against memes.
Oh. What about
Mantine.
what about Dwogos?
Special defense. Alright. Mantine's just water, right?
Yeah, just a water piece of shit. Don't you dare.
Alright. What?
This
Don't I
motherfucker.
dare what?
It's technically water flying.
Mantine?
Yeah.
Oh.
Kinda forgot to tell you that. Oopsie. Thank you for such a
Thanks.
heated battle. I know, I kinda forgot to
Well,
tell you.
then I'll switch to something that doesn't have a weakness to flying.
Or water.
Or do as less damage.
Use your kill move!
Faint attack.
I got a silk scarf, god damn it.
Even though slash would be better because it's got stab.
You slash.
Yeah.
I thought you only had scratch.
Yeah. Sorry, same fucking thing.
No, it's not, man.
Hey.
Oh, shit,
guess
how
what?
are our
I don't
berries
give a
doing?
shit.
I haven't checked my berries in a long ass time.
About to send in Vulpix.
Bro, all of our berries have finished.
Cool. About to send in Vulpix. Will you switch Pokemon?
I would have switched it into Gojira.
Why?
Because Gojira's rock.
Yeah, and I have seen way too many Vulpixes with way too many fighting kick moves, so...
Really?
Yeah. Regardless. Wow, it's almost like it didn't matter.
This bear type grew to level 25.
Bear type is love. Bear type
73
is
attack.
life.
Jesus fucking Christ.
I think he only got like +1 that turn.
You got
as well.
+3.
Oh, I'll be honest, I wasn't paying attention.
Are you fucking kidding me? There's metal all the way on that side.
You gotta go, if you go up on that top plank, because there's also an item there. That
the
raises.
plate?
Go up on that last little plank up top and go to the left. A Draco
one?
plate. Holy shit.
That's good.
Just like how your rock plate's good for
Well, I already have rock incense for...
incestus
Sure.
incest.
No.
You're
That's
standing on the
really
item, you fat piece of shit.
Pretty sure Rabuta Berry is for fucking poffins.
Please be just for poppins only. Please, please, please.
My favorite.
The most useless berries in the entire game.
And I'm fucking drowning in them.
I'm practicing my fire breathing in the burned tower. Don't try this at home, kid.
I just heard my phone go off, but I have no idea from where.
I thought you found your phone.
I didn't. I just said fuck it. And...
Good job. I can
Well, I mean, we needed to record.
yeah, we did. Because I got a tight time schedule today.
Gross.
What?
Schedules.
Oh, I thought I said tight. Whoosh, whoosh, whatever the fuck he said. Whoosh, you have small penor.
Alright. I got lepers and lums or something.
I found a zoom lens. Holy shit, is the zoom lens the one I like?
It's the if you go second, you
Yeah.
are more accurate.
Yeah.
I know this because I have one. And it's on someone who keeps going first.
That's really stupid.
Mm.
Well, I got a Spelong berry, god damn it.
It's good for slow, non-trick room teams, but...
If you just have it hold citrus berry, use belly jump immediately, you're gonna restore a lot of the health back and have plus a shit ton of health.
Yeah, but you lose citrus berry.
But you can just plant more citrus berries. So whenever you go like to a rival or a gym leader, you could do that.
Also, I don't have a citrus berry, so...
Same, I got rid of mine by mistake.
How you doing, Earth Ring?
Oh look, this is a burned ass tower.
You're a burned-ass tower. See,
That's an Ursa ring.
Yeah, what's
It's
your point?
dead now.
It's so dead now. Because it didn't hatch from
Teach
an egg, it
strength to
evolved.
Meryl.
I guess Meryl's our HM slave?
Yeah.
Ugh.
TM payday. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm gonna shoot myself.
Didn't you literally buy one?
I already have payday already. God damn it.
Oh, fuck.
That would have been sexy to have.
That woulda.
What the fuck? How are we supposed to get over here?
Get over where?
To the side on the left. There's like no fucking way. Why the fuck are there unknowns here? It's bullshit.
Well, how else are you gonna get the unknown whatever?
Unknown report, that's true.
Hey, Leech Seed. If only I didn't already have a Pokemon with Leech Seed, that would have been much better.
See, because like it looks like the only way is to go from that pillar.
No.
Hey, hey!
There is literally nothing I would like rather than never sleeping again.
Why?
I hate
Stop
sleep.
staging such a serious dance. Show me something like a hula dance. You mustn't push a request on me. Huh? Are you telling me you don't respect what the customer wants? Well then, I'll show you how to dance. I'll show you a great one. Wario, do your Wario voice. Yo, do your Wario dance. Do your Wario sound, please.
What? That's not a...
He's Wario.
I win!
This guy over here is like, yo, this guy's like, oh, but this back pain, I wouldn't let this guy act like that if I weren't in this pain. Bitch. Waluigi!
We need to call this episode Waluigi noises.
Huh? Who are you? You dare do his entire voice and wah.
Operator, wah! He sent out wah bat.
Waluigi noises is this episode name.
I told you, it's the best name
You
for
piece of
anything
shit.
ever, but especially this episode. Oh yeah,
Dude, it's
it's
level 12,
Yeah,
and it's his only Pokemon.
I should have sent out the other thing. Steve. Oh well, time to bite this fucker. Even though Rock Slide is stab and increased by stuff.
Looks like I lost. Oh no, you make me look like a villain. Oops, I have an important mission. If they find out I was wasting time here, they'll make me start over at the lowest Team Rocket run. I gotta leave now.
Wah!
Wah!
I hope so in Gen 8 what I want is I want you to play as Guzma's son.
No! You gotta play as Waluigi.
No, you idiot. You play as Guzma's son, the leader of the team is Waluigi.
Wonderful, you were so courageous for your age. It's a rare sight to see. I want you to have this. Don't be shy, take it. Here's Surf.
Oh.
Surf.
Wah!
Quite the trainer for your age, indeed.
I win.
I was supposed to be the hero. So much for getting close to a kimono girl. You're a little.
Gross.
You're a fucking pedophile.
Same. What?
God damn it, Bill! I wasn't talking about you.
The thing is, considering how abhorrent I find pedophilia, I just wasn't paying attention and assumed you said something, so I said same. And it's literally the worst possible thing I could have said yes. I could have said that too.
Alright, people, with this new revelation of Woggy, we're gonna end this episode off right here. So thank you so much for... thank you so much for... Wah!
Wah! And see you next time.
Wah!
Wah!